Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, let n be the number of ways in which 5 men and 7 women can stand in a queue such that all the women stand consecutively. Let m be the number of ways in which the same 12 persons can stand in a queue such that exactly 6 women stand consecutively. Then the value of m by n is. So we have 5 men, that is M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5, and we have 7 women, so W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6 and W7. Now 7 women can be arranged in 7 factorial ways, and M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 and W. Now W is 7 women taken together, can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Therefore, n is equal to 7 factorial into 6 factorial. Now, let us calculate m, where m is the number of ways in which the same 12 persons can stand in a queue such that exactly 6 women stand consecutively. Now let the 6 women be taken as a group W, and we can arrange in the following ways. So these empty spaces are the areas where 6 women and a woman can stand, and M1 to M5 are the men. So MIs can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Now we can choose 2 out of 6 spots. Therefore, 5 factorial into 6c2, and permute the 2 spots. Therefore, m is equal to 5 factorial into 6 into 5 into 6 factorial. Thus, m by n is equal to 5 factorial into 6 into 5 into 6 factorial by 7 factorial into 6 factorial. So now this 6 factorial cancels out. We're left with 6 into 5 by 5 factorial and here 7 factorial in the denominator, so we're left with 6 into 7, so 5 by 7. So the correct option is option C, that is 5 by 7. The next question is, a box contains 5 fair coins and 5 biased coins. Each biased coin has probability of a head 4 by 5. A coin is drawn at random from the box and tossed. Then a second coin is drawn at random from the box without replacing the first one. Given that the first coin has shown head, the conditional probability that the second coin is fair is. Now suppose A is the event of first coin showing head, and B is the event that second coin is fair. We need to find out probability B given A, which is equal to probability B intersection A by probability A. So now probability B intersection A is equal to 5 by 10 into 4 by 5 into 5 by 9 plus, where 5 by 10 is like 5 unbiased, 5 biased coins out of 10 into 4 by 5, that is the probability of head, into 5 by 9 where these 5 are fair coins, plus 5 by 10 into half into 4 by 9 where these 4 are fair coins. Since over here also we had 5 fair coins and the probability of picking out any was half, so this equals 1 by 3, and probability of A is equal to 5 by 10 into 4 by 5 plus 5 by 10 into half, that is equal to 13 by 20. Therefore, probability B given A is equal to probability B intersection A, that is 1 by 3 by probability A, that is 13 by 20. This comes out to be 20 by 39. So the correct answer is option A.